Hello everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can unmatch on Tinder. So it's very easy and simple to unmatch on Tinder. Just to do that, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now your user interface will look somewhat like this. Now head over to your chat section, which is appear on the bottom line. Now all the matches will be on your chat section. All the person that you have matched with will be appeared on your chat section. So what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on their profile and the option called unmatched will be available in there. So you simply go ahead and tap on unmatched and that person will be unmatched from you. That person will be unmatched by you on Tinder. And that's all guys, this is how it is easy and simple to unmatch someone on Tinder. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bar for more updates.